Welcome to another edition of Bridgeport's Product Information on Demand. My name's Eric Sirasale. I'm the Technical Sales Manager at Bridgeport Fittings. Today you're going to see Bridgeport's Mighty Align slip connectors, a patented two-piece design that makes it easy to install EMT in between enclosures and equipment. No more wasted time dealing with shortcuts. So come on, let's get started. Bridgeport's Mighty Align slip connector body, cover, and reversible serrated lock nut are made of a corrosion-resistant zinc die-cast alloy with steel zinc-plated screws. Deep tri-drive set screw design provides versatility and allows for ease of torquing. Available in trade sizes 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 2, 3, and 4 inches. UL listed and suitable for use with equipment grounded systems. Here we see a good application for Bridgeport's slip connectors. The rerouting of conductors from a mounted panel into a mounted wireway. Install the connector bodies loosely in the knockouts and position the bodies to easily accept a full cut length of EMT conduit. Slide the covers into position. Rotate the connector body for easy access of the set screws. Tighten the lock nuts hand tight, plus a quarter turn. Set the screws. And you're done. As you can see, positioning and setting EMT in between equipment in tight confined spaces couldn't be easier with Bridgeport's Mighty Align slip connectors. Thank you again for joining me for this edition of Bridgeport's Product Information on Demand.